to eat is these Disney Mickey shaped veggie chips. I bought these at Target and they're so cute. They're in the shape of Mickey. So they're red, yellow, and green. And it says here, and this shows you all of the goodness, all of the good vitamins and vegetables that are in this bag of chips. So, another one of their favorite snacks is this Monster Mix. There's different ones. There's this container. I have several more in the cabinets, but I love how large they are, and so they last us a while, and I get these at Target as well. What you eating? Great.
Ew! EB's in the money. No! I heard.
Is that a good watermelon? You ready to go dance class? You just have a few more before your recital. Oh. So what song are you going to dance to today, class?
A tootie tap.
A tootie tap? And what else?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow with Annie? And what else?
Frozen. Do you know it?
The Jailhouse Rock?
I'm going to sing Frozen too.
You're gonna,
all of the songs.
y'all sing Frozen in class? Okay.
Water.
You want to get some water? You sure look pretty today. You look pretty every day. I love you. Are you feeling better? You weren't feeling good this morning.
I feel better.
You feel better. Oh,
I feel better now.
good. I love you.
I'm a rhinoceros. Yes, stop it. Let me do this. I'm itchy.
What now? So you just got your hair cut and you said you were about to take your shirt off because you're itching?
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Mama, she's there.
Who? What, baby?
Look, that one. See, there's a bubble. Turn around.
Yeah, we had a horrible windstorm last night. So we had taken the swing set apart and then laid some tarp completely down over the previous turf that we had down there, and a truck was supposed to come out with a load of
Rocks.
yes, rocks, some gravel to put down in that area, but because we had such a horrible storm last night, we didn't get the rocks, and then all the hard work. Rudy has tried to lay this 3 times now, and the wind has just blown it away. Swing set fell over last night. It's kind of hard to see, but there you go. They tried to deliver it Monday, and because of the rain, that didn't work. And then they tried to deliver it today, which is Wednesday, and that didn't work. So now, next Monday, they're gonna
Look at the playhouse.
yeah. So next Monday now they're gonna try to deliver it. And Braxton has a game tonight at 8.
Everybody get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Everybody get on the floor. Everybody do the that just popped on your window. You see all those bubbles? And that big one just popped on your window. Everybody do that dinosaur. Everybody do that dinosaur. Everybody get on the floor. Everybody do that dinosaur. That might find bubbles.
Don't pour it out, honey. You look so distinguished. Whose glasses do you have on, Miss Fallon?
Mama!
Good hit! Woo! Run, 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 run! Oh, Woo! Run! Way to go, Braxton! Good job! Oh. 2 strikes. Good job, Braxton! Way to go! Come on, Christopher. Go, Chris. Okay, so now we are gluing down the indoor-outdoor carpet. It's kind of like a turf-looking material. But they said this would be best for, cleaning and things like that.
Mommy,